Hey guys, welcome back to the Modern Warrior Body, and I want to start off with an expression of great gratitude for all the likes, shares, comments, posts. I've been inundated with notifications and stuff like that all week. It's crazy. The Fit Nominations page has got over 1,000 likes in the space of a week, so that's a bit crazy. That's brilliant, fantastic. It shows that people out there want something better, want to do something better with their lives, more important with their lives, and that's what we're all about. The Modern Warrior Body is going to change all that. We're going to really help you improve your life and get rid of stupid things like neck nominations out of your lives and focus more on the positives, okay? If you like my channel, if you like the stuff we're doing, check it out on YouTube and subscribe here. Easy as that. We're going to keep bringing you loads more videos. They're going to be on psychology, they're going to be on fitness, nutrition, health. I'm going to be touching on all of the areas, okay? We're going to get away completely from the kind of crappy, stupid, negative kind of Irish attitude to fitness and all of this. We're going to lift you up, get through everything. There's no more, rainy days, no more recession. That's all gone, finished. We're bored of it. We want something different. We want something new, and this is it. Modern Warrior Body. We're going to be touching on all these kind of topics. Suicide, depression, anything like this, okay? If you've got questions, I've got the answers. Shout them out to me. I'm going to do my best to reply to them all, okay? Subscribe to my channel, like the page, and thank you so much for the support so far.